A very good morning to everyone. The Nature Society of your university is organizing a Nature Week. As member of the society, let's discuss and decide the best activities for the week. Let's start with participant A.
Okay, so I'll be talking about the benefits of tree planting activities. When I'll be talking about these benefits, there will be three benefits, which is social benefits, communal benefits, look at me, and environmental benefits. When you're talking about social benefits, obviously when you look outside the window, trees make your life like so much more enjoyable. It's much more better, right? And it's also proven that in hospitals, whole area, like even your neighbors appreciate it. It just looks so nice. You'll appreciate your life way more. Next we'll be talking about environmental benefits. Obviously this is the most important benefit, right? Because when you talk about environmental benefits, there will be habitats for wildlife, and it also reduces carbon dioxide levels in your air, so it makes actually makes your living area cooler, so it's more comfortable. And also during like haze seasons, plants actually filter out dust particles so that it helps your respiratory system. So the effects of this environmental benefit, you also get medical benefits from it, right? Okay, that's all from me.
But actually, I would suggest going to the national park, because in the national park location there are active trips. A national park visit offer the chance to be active if you take advantage of the making many hiking, walking, kayaking, and other active travel opportunity. And there is an activity for every level of fitness. So basically, going to the national park is will provide. Going to national park is good for our health. And also, by going to the national park, we will learn to appreciate the nature more, because we will see the beautiful of the nature. And also, in the national park, we can take a lot of beautiful picture and beautiful sceneries. So I suggest going to the national park.
Okay, in my opinion, I would like to organize a camping trip to forest reserve, because it has so many benefits that we could get. I would say that one of it, it promotes family bonding. So what's a better way to bond as a family than being out in the middle of the woods? So through camping, families learn to work together and problem solve in order to have a fun and successful camping experience. It's also a wonderful time for kids to learn from their parents and develop a greater level of respect. So the second one is it increases self-confidence. Putting up the tent, starting a fire, cooking a meal, these are all activities that once completed successfully can help kids and adults build self-confidence. And in fact, a program I used to work with for at-risk teens took the students on the camping at least once a year to help them develop survival and life skills that help build their self-confidence. When kids are confident, they are more likely to be successful in the future. So that's it.
So, do you think? Organize a recycling day is the best activity for the nature?
No.
Well, I guess many people do it a lot.
Okay. Let's explain with the recycling. Recycling is a morally responsible decision that is easy to organize if you have a recycling bin. If you recycle materials such as bottles and cans, you may be able to exchange them for money at your local recycling center. Recycling can be convenient for you because it can reduce the amount of trash you have to fit into your trash bin or dumpster.
Okay.
Okay. A recycle bin can help you organize your refuse for easy disposal at the proper facilities. If you have multiple recycle bins, you can even organize your recycling by type for easy processing when it is time to recycle. Most recycle centers require that you separate recyclable materials before they will accept them in exchange for cash. See resources for a link that will help you find a nearby recycling center.
So, what is the best activity actually?
I think so.
Personally, I believe my point is kind of valid because when you plant trees,
Or nature week, right?
it's actually something you incorporate into your daily life. So it's something you should be doing every day instead of just a one-time thing like a camping trip or just going to visit a nature park. Which personally I feel these planting trees will have all kinds of effects on the person, even individually to develop them mentally and also help the environment at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay,
I agree with that.
I will agree.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dah lah.